lenses of civilization calls for respect of all religions. US passes 9 million coronavirus cases as infection spike. Turkish rescue workers search for survivor in quake. Death toll rises to 27. PM Khan says Pakistan expects even-handed treatment from US with respect to India. UN expressed sorrow over losses due to earthquake in Turkey. UN terms Israeli announcement for construction of settlements in occupied Palestinian as breach of international law. At least 2 people were killed and 51 injured after a gas pipeline explosion in southern Iraq. Armenia and Azerbaijan once more accused each other of bombing residential areas on Saturday.